Specialized extruders producing rubber sidewall components with precise thickness profiles and width dimensions.
Manufacturing equipment producing chafer strips protecting tire bead area from rim abrasion. The chafer combines fabric reinforcement with rubber coating providing durability.
Automated or manual systems position bead rings onto building drum at precise locations matching tire bead diameter.
Completed tire carcass removes from first stage building drum after deflation and drum diameter reduction. The cylindrical green tire maintains shape integrity from component adhesion.
Extruded sidewall strips apply to tire shoulder regions, covering carcass plies and providing aesthetic appearance. The sidewalls position on
Operators position the green tire into the mold. The upper mold half closes and locks as mass.
Surface check complete. It's a pass.
Confirmed. Documenting approval now.
Oval. The tire rotates under load against measurement drums, while sensors detect force variations. Computerized machines. The tire spins at high speed while sensors detect heavy spots. Computer analysis calculates correction weight placement locations.
the test speed progressively increases, evaluating tire wear and performance limits. Testing continues for extended. The scan confirms the anomaly we suspected. Belt positioning is compromised right here.
Comprehensive quality review combines all inspection and test results, determining individual tire acceptance or rejection.
Approved tires receive permanent manufacturer branding, size designation, and specification markings through various application methods. Approved tires receive protective packaging.
Grinding equipment reduces whole tires into rubber crumb of various particle sizes. Expression systems
The statistical analysis confirms the variation source in batch 3.
Adjusting the polymer mix should resolve it.